Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essential details so the fix applies correctly. First, check your iPhone model and iOS version in Settings. This determines the exact steps. Once done, charge to above 20% and connect either stable Wi-Fi or to a Mac/PC with a cable. This prevents interruptions. Make sure you know your Apple ID and device passcode, and temporarily disable screen time restrictions if active. These prerequisites stop failures and let you proceed straight into restoring emergency SOS behavior. Now you reconfigure system services that control emergency SOS. You'll reset all settings. This preserves data but clears misconfigured options, which often cause SOS failures. After the reset, go to Emergency SOS and toggle call with side button and auto call off, then on, because toggling reinitializes the modem and system flags. Next, confirm location services and Find My are enabled. Emergency SOS requires accurate location and correct permissions. These steps target the most common software causes without erasing content. Finish by ensuring iOS is healthy. Update or reinstall via recovery mode using Finder or iTunes. This replaces corrupted system files that block emergency SOS. Once restored, enable call with side button and conduct a controlled test in a non-emergency. Trigger the call briefly to confirm the behavior. If it still fails, try an encrypted backup restore. This pulls settings back cleanly. If problems continue after these steps, contact Apple support. Persistent failure can indicate a hardware fault with the side button or cellular radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.